Good morning. My name is Tom Coffing. I'm the CEO at Coffing Data Warehousing. This is the project we've been working on for 20 years. It's called Nexus. It's a query tool that works on all systems, so you submit SQL, you'll get an answer set. But Nexus also will write the SQL for you and show you what joins to what. You just point and click, and it builds the SQL, and that's one way to go. But watch what I'm going to do next, because we're going to do federated queries. I'm going to come up here to my search bar. I'm going to type in the word subscriber number. It's going to show me every table view where subscriber number exists. There it was on Snowflake, Databricks, Synapse, Redshift. Every system will be shown where subscriber number exists. But this is a live tree. Watch, I go to my Snowflake system and I say, I want to do the super join builder. Now I've got a Snowflake table out there. Let's join it with a Databricks table. I just drag in the Databricks table and say, here's how those two join. And now it knows and will remember the next time. Here I am just pointing and clicking. It's building the SQL for me. Let's grab Azure Synapse here and bring in the claims table. Drag it in, touch the table you want, tell it how it joins. It's that easy. I'm going to go ahead and do everything here for you. There we go. Now we've got all our tables out here. Snowflake, Databricks, BigQuery, Azure Synapse, Redshift, Vertica, Yellowbrick, Teradata, Oracle, SQL Server, DBT, Postgres, MySQL. I even got Excel and Microsoft Access, and it's built the SQL for me. Watch this. I've chosen the hub to be my PC because the data's not all that big. The largest table has 2,000 rows. There I go. I execute. It's bringing back every table to my PC, and there's the answer set. Nobody's been able to do this. Only Coffing Data Warehousing. If you are joining tables across systems, this is the answer. Reunite your data.